Binance versus Groww. Choosing the right investment platform can transform how you grow your portfolio without unnecessary complexity. Binance offers advanced crypto trading, while Groww focuses on mutual funds and stocks for beginners. Binance and Groww serve different investment needs. Binance specializes in cryptocurrency trading with a global reach and deep liquidity. Groww provides a straightforward platform for mutual funds and stock investments tailored for Indian retail investors. The core difference lies in asset focus and user experience. Binance is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange that enables users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital assets. It operates on a secure, high-performance platform supporting spot, futures, and margin trading. Binance's strengths include extensive coin listings, advanced charting tools, and competitive fees. It also offers features like staking, savings, and a launchpad for new tokens. However, its complexity and vast options can be overwhelming for beginners. Regulatory challenges in some countries may also affect access. Binance is ideal for experienced investors and traders who want deep liquidity, diverse crypto options, and advanced trading features. Its mobile and desktop apps provide robust tools for portfolio management and market analysis. For those focused on cryptocurrency with a global outlook, Binance offers unmatched flexibility and innovation. Source: http www.binance.com/n. Groww is an Indian investment platform designed for simplicity and ease of use, focusing on mutual funds, stocks, and ETFs. It offers a clean, intuitive interface that guides users through investment choices with educational resources and transparent fee structures. Groww supports direct mutual fund purchases, eliminating commission costs, and provides access to Indian stock markets with real-time data. Its strengths lie in user-friendly design, goal-based investing, and seamless account opening. However, Groww does not support cryptocurrency trading and has limited international investment options. It is best suited for beginner to intermediate investors seeking straightforward access to Indian financial markets without the complexity of advanced trading tools. Groww's mobile app is highly rated for managing investments on the go. Overall, it empowers retail investors to build diversified portfolios with minimal hassle. Source: each TTV allows Groww W in Binance and Groww cater to different investor profiles. Binance excels for crypto traders needing a wide range of digital assets, advanced tools, and global market access. It suits those comfortable with high volatility and complex interfaces. Groww, on the other hand, is ideal for Indian investors focused on mutual funds and stocks, offering simplicity and educational support. While Binance offers lower fees on crypto trades, Groww provides zero-commission direct mutual fund investments. Regulatory environments also differ. Binance faces restrictions in some regions, whereas Groww operates fully within India's regulatory framework. Choosing between them depends on your investment focus. Binance for crypto diversification and active trading. Groww for straightforward equity and mutual fund investing with a beginner-friendly approach. Source: https sprending prochbef weishman stach ma n stach tt5 Growwa. Choose Binance if you prioritize cryptocurrency trading with advanced features and global reach, and are comfortable navigating a complex dynamic market environment. Groww is the better choice for Indian investors seeking a simple, reliable platform for mutual funds and stocks without the hassle of complex trading tools. It offers a smooth entry into investing with transparent fees and educational support to grow your portfolio confidently.